guys! In this video I have a bit of an announcement for my channel. You may have noticed that over the years I've been creating videos for like how to make certain characters. So for example I got Natsu, who else I got? Shizo, we've got other like characters, anime characters, things like that, using my human bases, which is one of my oldest videos. So basically what I decided to do on my channel is, because these videos, especially as I go on, so for like making Overwatch characters for example, and any other character that has a lot of detail, and I'm putting more and more detail into my plushies the more I do them, and the more I do that the harder it is to make a tutorial for you guys, because it takes me a long time to make the tutorials together. I feel like I take ages getting videos out, and also I don't work on one video at once, I work on several different things at once, so I'm sort of there like, oh, I don't have enough time to be doing all of this, doing voiceovers, editing, and it's just made me kind of stressed with it. I feel like I'm also repeating myself in the videos. So for example, if I'm making a character and I'm giving them trousers or I'm giving them a jacket, I've already got videos on how to make jackets, how to make trousers. So what I'm going to do on my channel to make things a bit easier for me and to be able to get more videos out there for you guys is, if you saw my mini Genji plushie video, if you haven't, I'll put it somewhere in the video so that you can watch it, but basically it was more of a making of Genji video. So it was more along the lines of, I wouldn't film everything, I wouldn't put everything in there. Like with the tutorial videos I put everything in and then I speed it up, which can be sometimes hard to follow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slow things down and show things in more detail, but just not all of it, so you can still see what I'm doing with the characters, you can still see how I'm making it, and I will also put links to videos, side videos on how to make things that I'm using in the video, so still do it if you want, you can just watch the way I do it. But a lot of it with these kind of videos is doing little tiny detailed pieces, which is really hard to explain how I'm doing because I cut things out and I stick them down pretty much, so it's hard to tell you exactly how to do it. So I'm hoping that just watching it will be easier than a tutorial video for you guys, and it will also be easier for me, so I don't have to record lots and lots of voiceovers. I'm going to be doing this with all the characters now, but I'm still going to be doing lots and lots of clothing, lots and lots of hairstyles, eyes, lots of different, I'll still be doing tutorials, and I'll still be doing tutorials for things like Pokemon characters. I've got a few of the tutorials coming up for characters that are like, ooh, characters that are, you know, not fitting the anime base sort of plushy, you know, basically characters that are not able to do through my other videos on your own, or like you've seen before. So basically new characters, things, new stuff. That's what I'm trying to say. Then I can focus more on how to do things that I haven't already shown you guys, and how to teach you how to sew in general rather than do specific characters, because as well, not everyone wants to know how to make McCree, not everyone wants to know how to make some other random anime character. That's just basically the little announcement for the channel. It's going to make things a lot easier for me, and I think it will be nicer for the channel as well. The videos won't be as long and you won't have to hear me talking all the time over the videos. My voice is annoying. So in this video I am just going to be showing you the making of Hanzo. You guys know I love Hanzo, so I had to make Hanzo plushie. I hope you find this video enjoyable, I hope you like this idea. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and help me out, thank you so much. So yeah, enjoy the video and I'll see you in the next one, bye!